Good afternoon and welcome to Gartshore's driveway, where I wasn't planning doing a video at all, but I've come across something that really needs to be seen. Story behind this one is this Audi belongs to a member of the family who shall remain nameless, member of my wife's family, but I shan't say any more than that. And the instructions were: take the car, give it a quick oil change, quick service, and thank you. So I thought, all right. So I just picked up the car, took it home, and started doing a service on it. First thing I checked were the tyre pressures. Now, the tyre pressures should have been at something like 2.3, 2.4 bar all round. The highest I could find was 1.5. So obviously there hasn't been a lot of air for a long time, so that was that. And then I decided to have a look in the engine and see what needed to be done. I've got a new oil filter, air filter, a new oil drain plug and some new oil. So it's just a very basic service, just to sort of give it a breath of new life. And I opened up the air filter expecting to see a relatively fresh air filter. But what I found was this. Okay, so this is the air filter housing, and as you can see, I've already loosened this, so this is why it's just coming out like this. Yeah, that air filter has definitely seen better days, but if you look back inside the air filter housing, you will see several years worth of tree life. This car has not been serviced for a very long time. For sake of interest for you, and hopefully definitely not for family members who are then going to watch this, I had a look at the car's service records. The car was last serviced at just under 200,000 kilometers. The car now, that's 145,000 miles. The car has now got 320,000 miles on it, kilometers, sorry, 320,000 kilometers on it. So that's exactly 200,000 miles. So it hasn't been serviced in well over 50,000 miles. This is what the air filter should look like. We're using Miele professional quality here, and for the oil filter and the oil itself, I'm actually using original Audi oil that I ordered from a supplier. So yes, this is a lesson to all of you. Get your cars serviced regularly. Do not ignore service intervals, and please change your filters regularly. I've never ever seen anything as disgusting as this, ever. Normally, I would remove the air filter housing and do it properly, but that's too much of a job. At least it's empty of dead trees now. I'm not going to bore you with the rest of the service, because it's just basically replacing that filter now and then changing the oil, which is the most boring thing in the world to see. Oh, our dog has just escaped from the house and he's coming to say hello. You come here. Hello, come here. Come here, come here. May I sit? May I sit? Ah, look at that. Isn't that a perfect dog for us? This is our almost 11-year-old Labrador who has to steal the scene of every video. So that's that. So yes, what was I saying? I was saying don't ignore your service intervals. I'm going to carry on now, clean everything up, do the service, and take the car for a little drive to make sure it's all right. Check a few other things, I think. Maybe reset the computer. I don't need to show you that. You've seen that in other videos. It's not very exciting, but a little lesson: get your car serviced at regular intervals, even if you do it yourself. It's the easiest thing in the world to do. All you need is a pair of gloves, some old clothes. Yes, these are my old clothes, by the way. According to someone on the channel, I'm the poshest mechanic in the world because I use my proper shoes and tidy clothes. Well, that's just the way I am. Sorry about that. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.